Okay, so today we're going to be seeing if the lawnmowers have lasted through our last battle.
We haven't even started it since then, really.
This one
Besides
we have.
the move.
This one we did the move and we kind of cut the muffler a little bit, so it's kind of loud. But we're going to be airing out the tires and then we're going to be racing to see if I'm still faster, because I think I'm still the fastest one.
This is normal, right?
Well, we're going to air up the tires and see if we're still all good. Might be boring, but at least we'll get a video going. So we're going to try and fire up this one. I think this one runs. Okay, so they're both running and now we got to bring them up by the garage to air up the tires. lawnmower shut off because it hit the back of him.
Yeah, you're the one that done that.
Oh, I think he finally won the whole challenge. But
Now it doesn't even turn over.
Guys, if you haven't watched the last video, go watch it now, so then you can see what kind of damage we did to this.
So you guys can kind of understand the first part of it.
But, well, I guess it's time for you to haul me back over here, boss.
Hey, the champion.
But, oh, I gotta show you guys something. Come this way. I got rid of my white truck. So I got rid of my white truck, and I got this wonderful car that is unpainted. Here we have it. It is an 87 Monte Carlo. You guys probably saw it before. But, I mean, the interior is pretty mint. Sounds nice. It has a 350 in it. It's a true SS. But, it looks... Oh, you guys can actually come up here. I forgot my hood's open. Look at this beauty. Nice chrome, pretty. Nice. I gotta charge the battery and then I can fire it up. But
just so you guys know, we will probably be making a video like all about this car and showing you guys actually all around. And he has a big surprise that we will be making videos on that I don't think he told you guys yet, but hopefully it will be in the next video.
well, I think that's I think we call it a day because my lawnmower kind of broke. So see you guys in the next one.
This champion won right here. This lawnmower, towing him back to the spot that we started in. Let's go.